And wagwan my YouTube family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make Jamaican roast fish. First and foremost, big up Father God, oh yeah. Now I'm going to jump into the intro and then I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm using to make my Jamaican roast fish.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
So this is the ingredients for my roast fish. I'm going to use a piece of butter, piece of pumpkin. I'm using sweet pepper. I'm using carrot and onion. Here I have a piece of thyme. Of course, you know, so we have to have okra, right? I'm going to use some okra, some Callaoo. Here I'm going to use my all-purpose seasoning to season the fish. Here I'm going to use a tomato, a hot pepper, and some garlic. I'm going to use a fish noodle to season up the vegetables. And I'm going to add some water crackers inside of the fish when I wrap it in the foil paper. So this is all the ingredients you need to make a perfect roast fish. Okay, my people, the fish already scaled and clean. I just need to wash it, okay? Now I'm going to season the fish before I prep the vegetables so the seasoning could marinate in the fish. Before, I'm just gonna give it like a slice right there, not too deep, and on both sides, just for the seasoning to marinate. So now I'm going to start inside of the fish. Just gonna lightly season it up. Now I'm going to set this aside and go and prep the vegetables. Okay, now I'm going to wash the Callaoo and I'm going to add some salt. And I'm going to use some baking soda. Wash off all the pesticide of the Callaoo, my people. So now see all of this. Now I'm going to wash one more time with just baking soda. This is it, my people. Okay, my people, now I'm going to cut up the Callaoo, but first we have to strip the Callaoo first, okay? You have to strip it like this. So I'm going through and strip all of them before I cut them. Now I'm going to cut up the Callaoo. You just want to hold it just like this. Pretty easy to cut. This is it for the Callaoo. Now I'm going to cut the okra. I already washed them, so I just slice them like that. I'm cutting the pumpkin. And I'm leaving the skin and the pumpkin, okay? I already washed also. Cut the carrot. All right, time for the peppers. Just need half of this onion. Is it. Garlic. Cut the scallions now. Now we'll cut the pepper. All right, that is it. Okay, people, over here, so now I'm going to saute the veg and drop a tip of oil, a piece of butter. This is like a tablespoon of butter. Now I'm going to add the onion. I'm going to add the garlic. Now I'm going to add the peppers. Just saute them for it to release the flavors from them. Piece of thyme. The scallions. Now I'm going to add the pumpkin. My people, remember I'm not using all of this to stuff the fish, okay? Now I'm going to add the carrot. I'm going to add the okra. Now I'm going to add all of the callaoo. Just like that. I'm going to add the tomatoes. This is what I'm going to use to season it up, the fish noodle, and I'm going to sieve it before. Alright, just like that. Now I'm going to stir it up. To season the vegetables, you don't have to use this to season the vegetables. You could use an all-purpose seasoning also. Some people, this is how you want it. You don't want it to overcook, because remember, we're going to stuff it in the fish and it's going to continue to cook while the fish roasting in the oven, okay? Okay, my people, so now time to wrap the fish in the foil paper. Now I'm going to grease the foil paper with a piece of butter so that the fish don't stick in the foil paper, okay? You just want to do like this. Just like that. Putting down the fish. I'm going to put some underneath the fish. Put some vegetables underneath the fish. Yo, this smells so good already, my people. Jaja. All right, just like that. You want to make sure you get some vegetables inside of the fish, because you know it's a stuffed roast fish, okay? Just like that. Pumpkin, okra, everything. So you see it? Just want to stuff it up just like that. All of the all of that up in it. See that? People, now I'm going to add some butter on top of it, okay? That butter good enough. You want to make sure the butter there on top. Look at this now, some tough crackers, you know? Six pieces of crackers good enough. So, fold them like this. Then come over. Judge the tail burst here, so put it in our next file paper still. Because you know we have to trap the steam inside. So I wrap it in our next piece of file paper. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to put the fish on this sheet pan. I'm going to pour some water on it. That's the fish now dry out inside the oven. Just like that. Rest the fish on top. I already have the oven preheated at 375 degrees. Now I'm going to put the fish inside for 25 minutes. Just like that. See, after 25 minutes, my people don't go nowhere. Okay, my people, it's already 25 minutes since the fish in the oven. Now I'm going to take it out. Yeah, man. Okay, my people, I bust him open now. Jaja. Yeah, man. Look, cooked to perfection. See that? Pumpkin cooked, everything cooked. Cooked to perfection, my people. Here you have it, my people. Jamaican roast fish. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. Peace out.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.